This will be a quick walkthrough of the WP Dev Suite application, and we'll begin first in the WP Plugin Boss. And this is the section that allows you to rebrand the plugins. And on the left side panel here, the sidebar, we have different categories of plugins. These are the different plugin names that you can rebrand, and scrolling down the page gives you a description of each, and then the link here you would click to rebrand. But just to give you an idea of some of the plugins available, this one, single post search. If a user searches for a certain article, instead of showing a listing page, if there's only one article in the results of the search, it'll take the user directly to that particular page or post. So there's several in just this one alone in the lightweight plugin category. And in the post and pages, again, we have quite a few to choose from. And I'll just skip down here to the widget plugins. This one in particular, if you've ever done work with shortcodes in WordPress, this plugin will allow you to insert a shortcode into a sidebar widget, which you usually cannot do by default. And to demonstrate how to rebrand the plugin, let's just choose hide login errors. This is a security type feature because if you display the login error, a hacker could guess what they did wrong. So we'll click here. Now this is the first time I have gone through this. I haven't practiced, and I'll use this timer in just a moment. Let's see, move it away. Rebrand the plugin. That opens the screen. And I'll bring this timer back into the picture here, and I'll just start now. So we'll give this a name, and I'm just going to put login security. I can call it whatever I'd like. Where'd my timer go? It'll be back. Here is where I would plug in my URL to a page that would give more information about the plugin. And here is where I would describe the plugin. We'll just make Neil the author, and we can put whatever version here. If we make small changes later, we can create another number. And this is the author's website information about the website about the author. And here is where we can add some text to help avoid naming conflicts. I'm just going to leave that at ABCD. And let's see, bring my timer back. 1 minute 17 seconds. I'm going to click Create Plugin. And it's finished. So let's pull back the timer. It's still running, but it took less than 1 minute 35 seconds to create a plugin. So without knowing any code at all, we were able to take, in just 1.5 minutes or less, we were able to take a plugin that has been professionally coded and designed, rebrand that into something we can use as bonuses, free giveaways, lead magnets, or as products to sell or otherwise make available to prospects and affiliates. So I hope you see the value in having this software creation product, and that's just one of the products in the WP Dev Suite. The other product allows you to quickly learn enough code to use this developer tool to customize the plugins that you rebrand. And there's training here in JavaScript, and there are a couple of bonuses to help you market the material, the plugins that you create, 3D boxes for your plugins. And if you'd rather outsource the development of your plugin, here's training, an 8-part video course on how to do that.